In this video, I'm going to show a sudden jerking that happens when shifting from first gear to second gear. Happens usually just before 10 miles an hour. Do it again. So now I'm going to turn the car off and restart it. Let's see if that does anything. Okay, going to drive. Shifted just fine. Shifted just fine again. Shifted fine again. Seems that this problem has been randomly occurring and will not go away unless the car is restarted. I suspect it has something to do with the transmission that had the new software flash a year ago, I think. But only just recently, in the past couple months, did it start acting up. Shifted it good again. No, I'll stop it now.